Alrighty, we're back here working on the vet again. 84 C4 Corvette. Let's see, today we're changing out this pesky coolant temp sensor. This thing's pretty shot. Looks to be original. The plug just broke apart on it. Here goes the other plug right here. It's garbage. I already got the new sensor in. It's down there, and pretty much you just go straight in through here. Let's see if I got, yeah. We'll just use this, put it right in here, and it goes right in. Take the sensor out. Now hopefully this new sensor will fix my gauge, so now that I'll get a coolant temperature reading. And I use the upgraded gauge. I mean coolant temp sending unit or sensor, whatever you want to call it. It has a double prong. I have to splice it in. And yeah, it doesn't give you much room to work with, that's for sure. But here it is right here. I'm gonna have to cut this somewhere up here, splice it in with some connectors. I got some the heat shrink style, or I got the crimp ones too, but I'm gonna go with these. So yeah, let me get this wired up and we'll go from there and see if we got a coolant gauge going on this thing. Alrighty, so hold on one second here. Let me get this thing going and we'll go from there. Alright, bye. Alright, we're back. I got it all on here. Those are on there nice and good. I'm going to put some electrical tape around these two connectors. Then I have some shrink wrap here I got to put on top of that, and I think we're pretty good. We'll plug her in, start it up and see what happens. Yeah, I mean I still have to do the electric fan switch and I'm not really sure how to do that yet. So, I don't know. Let me figure that out. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so let me get this buttoned up and then we'll decide on what we're going to do with the fan. Alrighty, bye. Alrighty, I got this all buttoned up. Everything's good. It's all in there. But anyways, yeah, that's good. It's all correctly done. Now I've been working on the fan. This is gonna make some guys cringe. Okay, with help on the Corvette forum, I found a green and white wire, and that's supposedly route 335. And according to this guy, there we go. Ground anywhere on 335, which is a green and white wire. So I got that. I'm going to put a switch on, add a switch onto this wire. But look what someone did. I just unwrapped it. The blue wire that's connected, that's spliced into this. Oh, that's spliced into that should be going to the fan fuse. My fuse isn't blown, so I don't know. But I've never seen wiring like this before. Hope to never again either. Yeah, I'm going to disconnect this. I'm going to add another wire onto this side. And we're going to connect it to one of my switches over here. I have a two-pronger right here. And what we're going to try is we're going to run the wire from that green and white wire to this. Then another wire from this to a ground somewhere. For just temporary, I'm going to hook it up to the battery. And then we're going to try and see what happens. Hopefully that will turn the fan on with the ignition on. And we'll go from there. But I got to clean up all this mess first. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Alright then, let me give this a try and we'll see what happens. Alright, bye. Alright, I think we got it. I just tested it out. It works nice. Nice little toggle switch right here. Basically what I did was, I ran the green and what is it? Green and white, green and black, green and white wire. I meshed it in to this. This looks like it. I forget what it was, but I got 4 wires all connected in over here. One of them goes to the switch. The other was the AC, I think it was. Whatever I said earlier in the video. And then, yeah, wherever the green and white actually goes to, I'm not sure. It goes to something. I gotta go look back on the chart. Yeah, I'm still getting over my cold here. It's been like 2 weeks now. I got the flu or the virus or something. Who the hell knows? I know I didn't have COVID-19 there, so I had to test. It said negative. But anyways, so if my thoughts in the past couple videos and speech isn't exactly the best, well, now you know why. So I got this all together. Let me turn the key forward. Now when I connect these two, there we go. So now all I have to do is run this wire into the actual dashboard here, and I'm going to drill a hole in it and we're going to mount it. I won't have to turn it on and off every day manually. What you do is just leave it on. That's it. And turn the car on. When you shut the car off, it shuts off. If you don't want it on those cold winter days, shut it off, let it heat up, and crank it on. You'll get a warning if you don't remember. So I gotta go pull out this dashboard again here and see where I can mount this switch. Alright, so I'll be back. Alrighty, we're back here. I just have it temporarily wired for now. I'm gonna leave this right here. It's all nice and cozy right there, no problems. I ran the ground up front to here. And the only reason why I didn't permanently install it is because, oh, there's a couple things here. Let's see. Now, when I put the new cluster in this car, I broke this headlight switch. So I glued it on, and now I can't get it off without really tearing into it. So it's on there for now. But I really wanted to put it right on here, on this ledge, maybe over here in the corner. I don't know, but I wanted to put it here, right here. And I can't figure out how to get this off. I mean, there's a bolt here, there's 2 here, screws I mean. And then there's 2 like, I think 13 millimeters or 10 millimeters underneath there, and I still can't get this to come off. But then again, I can't get this out of my way to find out. So I gotta go look it up when I get home. So that's why it's not permanently mounted in as of right now. But what we're gonna do is, I gotta purge the system one more time, because when I changed that temp sensor up front, a ton of fluid came out. So we're gonna bleed the system one more time, and then yeah, let's take it for a ride. I'll probably take it home tonight, just for the hell of it. Yeah, so hold on a second. Bye. All right, here we're having a little bit of problems. This works as far as turning the fan on, but with this plugged in, right now I have the front coolant temperature sensor disconnected up here. I'll show you. So this is unplugged, as you can see down there. And I just wanted to check and see what was going on. This is, I'm gonna need help with this. I guess I'll just make a video like problem solving. So now, when I turn the key, see it's on low. Now, hit the fan on. And it goes right to 299. And now that sensor's not even plugged in. So I got something going on here that I'm not sure. So, uh-oh, I screwed something up. I just followed the instructions I got on the forum, and this was the route 355, or actually 335, on the diagram for the cooling for the fan and everything. Yeah, I don't know. And if I plug the coolant sensor back in, which I'll do right now, so hold on. All right, I'm back. I got the coolant temperature plugged back in, serpentine belt back on. Let's see, let's fire it up. Fans on with the switch. Now I'm up to, yeah, the gauge is faulting out. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to end this here. Only because I got to research and see what's going on. Yeah, I'm confused on this one. What is making this do that? I did the green and white wire just like it said. Maybe I should splice it to a different wire. I don't know. Here we go. Yeah, like I said, somebody killed this over here. Let me get the flashlight. Alrighty, let's see. So I'm right there on the green and it's the one I'm spliced into, the green and white one. Looks like there's a red and black, pure red one, and a blue one. So I'm in them. I don't know. Like I said, somebody was already in here monkeying around on this. I didn't put any of these white wires on. I'm trying to clean it up as best I can. But there's something happening here that I'm not sure of. And this blue wire, I'm not sure what the heck this is doing in here. But I'm just I put this back the way it was. And all I really did was add on, you see this light blue wire? This one? This was already here, so I just left it there. Only thing I did was this, just reconnect it with better connectors, and I ran a power one of the blue one line off here to the back of this switch, and the other one from this switch to the ground. So I didn't really touch anything on here. I don't know. I'm gonna put this video up and hopefully someone can help me, and I'll get back on the Corvette forums tonight and see what we can dig up. Something somewhere, something stupid probably. So, yeah, let's end it right here unless something else comes up. Alrighty, bye-bye. Alright, I'm back one more time, just for the hell of it. I unplugged the toggle switch. Two wires are just laying right there. So they're not going into anything. I started the car up. And of course, no fan, but it's not warm yet anyways. So the fan's on, not on. I'm getting this low. Let's try turning the AC on. Yeah, fan came on with the AC. Oh, it's a weird one, that's for sure. And it's probably just something stupid. Ah, we're back up to 299 again. Now, could it be that updated, upgraded gauge I put in here? I don't know. Oh, fan just shut off. With the AC running. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to pull this thing back apart. Oh, fan's back on. least the AC is nice and cold. All right, there's a problem here. I don't know. All right, so I did another test here. Still have the ground going to the same ground it was before. And now I have this going on to here. This plugged into the fan temperature, the coolant temperature sensor that turns the fan on and off. So I got that. See if the gauges read. I didn't check that yet. Still getting a low. Fire her up. All right, fan's on. Shut it off. See, I never got this car with the working coolant temperature. It had a no good dashboard in it, gauge cluster. So I just got this rebuilt. Ah, we're starting. Ah, there it is. Hey, at least the fan's coming on its own when it goes to $299. Did you hear that? The fan came on when that thing said $299. How I did is I got the thing unplugged, so I got the AC on. Yeah, so I got some major issue here. I'm gonna end the video right here, right now. Only because I don't know what the hell to do here. I gotta do a lot of research on this. Put the AC on again. Now the fan, there it is. Now the fan's coming on with the air conditioning. I don't know. I got a freaking mess here. Oh, it's like anything. We'll figure it out. It's just being a real pain on me right now. So, yeah, let's end the video right here. I'm hoping I can get some feedback from somebody on YouTube or maybe someone from the forums. And we'll go from there. Yeah, that's all we can do for right now. All right, so I'm going to button it up. That's it for today. I had enough. I'm tired. Yeah, we're going to leave it at this. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.